Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where cars meet charisma. Today let's dive into the future of eco-friendly driving with the brand new Audi Q6 e-tron. Buckle up because this isn't just any electric SUV, it's Audi's green machine with a twist. So what's the buzz all about? Well, Audi has rolled out a new performance model of the Q6 e-tron. And guess what? It's not about speeding down the highway or racing through the city. Nope, this baby is all about going the distance, over 350 miles on a single charge, to be exact. That's like driving from New York to Pittsburgh without stopping to recharge. But wait, there's a twist. Their performance in its name? It doesn't mean what you think. It's not about how fast it can zoom, but how efficiently it can whoosh, that's right. Audi's putting the brakes on high-speed thrills in favor of long-range chills. Now, if you're thinking, but I want speed and sustainability, don't worry, Audi's got something up its sleeve with the Q6 e-tron. This beast is rumored to pack over 600 horsepower and can zip from 0 to 60 in a sizzling 3.1 seconds. It's like having your eco-friendly cake and eating it with a rocket engine spoon. So, whether you're a speed demon with a green heart or just someone who hates stopping for chargers more than they hate stopping for red lights, Audi's Q6 e-tron lineup has got something for you. It's sleek, it's chic, and it's so environmentally friendly, even Mother Nature might just swipe right on it. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this electrifying ride through Audi's latest offerings, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome updates. Drive green, dream big, and I'll catch you in the next video.